Welcome! In this in-depth EZLynx tutorial for 2026, I'll walk you through how to use the platform step-by-step to streamline your insurance agency operations. We'll cover policy management, client tracking, quoting tools, CRM features, automation workflows, and reporting capabilities so you can manage your agency more efficiently. Whether you're an independent insurance agent or part of a growing agency team, this guide will help you optimize processes, improve client service, and increase productivity using EZLynx. The insurance industry is rapidly evolving, and for agencies to stay competitive, they need to leverage smart tools that reduce manual tasks, improve client service, and enhance overall operational efficiency. Whether you're an independent agent or a growing brokerage firm, managing quotes, policies, renewals, and customer communication can become overwhelming without the right system in place. That's where EZLynx comes in. EZLynx is a cloud-based insurance agency management platform designed to streamline workflows and simplify day-to-day operations. It offers a suite of tools, including real-time rating, client relationship management, policy administration, automation, and marketing in one integrated ecosystem. In this video, we'll walk you through the most important features and benefits of EZLynx and explain why it continues to be one of the top choices for modern insurance professionals. So for its key features and benefits, first is its real-time comparative rater. EZLynx standout feature is its real-time comparative rater, which allows agents to input client data once and receive quotes from multiple insurance carriers instantly. This saves agents countless hours by eliminating the need to rekey information into different systems while ensuring accuracy and increasing the speed of quote delivery to clients. Another key feature is the all-in-one agency management system. EZLynx consolidates essential agency operations into a centralized dashboard, including client details, policy management, tasks, renewals, and documentation. This provides full visibility and control over your agency's operations in one place, reducing administrative overhead and making it easier to manage your book of business. Another key feature is the integrated CRM and lead management. With its built-in CRM, EZLynx enables agents to manage leads, automate follow-ups, assign tasks, and move prospects through the sales funnel with ease. This helps improve sales performance and customer relationships by maintaining consistent engagement and ensuring no lead is overlooked. Another key feature is the client self-service portal and mobile app. EZLynx empowers clients with a 24/7 self-service portal and mobile app where they can access ID cards, certificates, policy documents, and request service. This increases client satisfaction and retention by offering convenience and autonomy, while reducing support workload for your team. Another key feature is the workflow automation and task triggers. EZLynx makes it easy to automate recurring communications and internal processes, such as birthday greetings, renewal reminders, and cross-selling campaigns. This increases operational efficiency and allows agents to focus on high-value tasks by eliminating repetitive manual work. Another key feature is the marketing and campaign management. You can create targeted email campaigns using templates and pre-built workflows designed to retain clients, upsell products, and generate new business. This strengthens client engagement and supports agency growth through consistent, strategic outreach across your client base. Another key feature is the advanced reporting and analytics. With detailed reports and dashboards, EZLynx provides insight into everything from quote volume and retention rates to staff productivity and carrier performance. This enables data-driven decision-making and strategic planning by giving agencies a clear view of what's working and what needs improvement. Why is EZLynx a great choice? EZLynx is a comprehensive, user-friendly solution that eliminates the need for multiple disjointed tools. Instead of relying on separate platforms for coding, CRM, task management, and marketing, EZLynx offers a unified experience that's both scalable and adaptable to agencies of all sizes. Its cloud-based infrastructure ensures accessibility from anywhere, making it ideal for remote teams or multi-location agencies. Another major advantage is EZLynx's intuitive user interface. Training new agents is simple, and the support and documentation provided by EZLynx team make onboarding and day-to-day operations smooth. So whether you're looking to increase coding speed, stay organized, or nurture client relationships more effectively, EZLynx offers the tools you need to succeed in a digital-first insurance environment. So in 2025, running a successful insurance agency means leveraging technology that enables growth, reduces friction, and enhances client relationships. EZLynx checks all those boxes and more. With its real-time rating engine, powerful CRM, automation tools, and data-driven insights, it empowers agencies to focus on what truly matters: serving clients and growing the business. So if you're looking to streamline your operations and gain a competitive edge in the insurance market, EZLynx is an excellent choice. It brings together all the essential tools under one roof, so you can spend less time juggling software and more time closing deals and retaining clients. Thank you very much for watching this complete step-by-step guide. I hope this tutorial helped you understand how to use EZLynx to simplify policy management, improve customer relationship tracking, and streamline overall agency operations. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up to support the channel. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss future tutorials on insurance software, CRM systems, and business management tools. If you have any questions or would like a deeper walkthrough of specific features, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.